So guys, today I'm going to the Christmas place, and as you can see, as you enter, everything is Christmas. It's in Christmas tree. Like, look how high that go. Brother, high. Christmas, everything. And then look at this. Dude, that's chalk. Somebody sat and did all of that. That's amazing, bro. You see the sign? Dom's art. This is so nice. So the Christmas place, I've been coming here from I was little bit. Favorite store. So all the trees and all the colors. So if you come in there, you look on the tree, you look on the decorations you like, and then below it there are always what's on the tree, so you can easily find it. Very convenient. They have colors, they have all the different colors you can think of. So all the different balls and colors, and you can get cards. Pink and lights galore.